This is your tempo bench press. How you want to set up is lay down so that you're eye level with the bar. If you're too far that way, you're going to hit this when you bench. And if you're too far that way, it's going to be super uncomfortable when you unrack the weight. So eye level with the bar. From there, bring your feet slightly back so that you can press the carpet away from you, so we get a lot of leg drive and tension throughout the body. We'll do a mid grip, so that'll be around about pinky on the first inner line of this bar. Unrack, and the tempo is going to be 3 seconds, and we want to count Mississippi with this. So guide it down, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, little pause, and then come out like normal. This is going to make your normal bench press super slick. So you're going to be doing lighter weights, but it's still going to be quite hard. So your job is to keep it perfect on the descent. And then we're pressing back that way.